There's some people, no matter what, and then come in them and send $1 every single week. Or every time they get paid, them and send $1 go to Jamaica because of them dream and then go back and have something down there. So no, why should you be afraid? If you're afraid to live, no matter as well curl up and go down a box. You can't be afraid to live. No, some of those people will be the sort of people who say them go back to them company because them believe in them marriage and want to stay with them partner, they want to be with them partner. So them kind of people as some of the set of people me I talk about say when we reach back to Jamaica, no matter hearing it's all about the dollar in Jamaica. No could have go on it 100 times. Even when they go to church, them still put out them little donation pan. It's all about the mighty dollar. So what circumstances? Because of their loyalty to their spouse and their children, their family, the ground foundation that they made for themselves in Jamaica. Remember, I know everybody that left Jamaica never have a house or don't have things. Some people. All right, so why I say it will only be a selective few that will return to Jamaica, for the simple fact that some people, when they first got here to the United States, their only intention was to work here, save their money, and return home. And there is some that came here, believe it was going to be all gold lined out for them, just to realize that's not the case. Now, you have another set of people is going to leave because of fear or laziness, or for the fact that they might. Let me set you back. Welcome back, everybody. If you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Julia. I hope all is well with everyone. I see a few people with a few comments that's upset with the things that I said in my last video, and I erased some of their comments because it was silly. I am not an internet warrior. I don't fight on the internet. I don't feel like we're adults, we can all agree to disagree, and that's just the way I feel about life. I'm not gonna be fussing. I'm going on to be 50 in a few years. There's no way I'm gonna be out here with anyone that I don't even know face to face to be arguing, fussing about something that I said. And I wasn't being directly specific to anyone, but like they said, if the shoe fit, wear it. I'm mature, me calm, me never call no foul. Simple, right? Yeah, I'm outside wear all the elements. I'm not feeling so hot today, so I'm outside doing the video. I hope everyone is doing well today, regardless of whatever. The thing is, why me get up and me say when me say there's only a selective few will ever reach back to Jamaica, for several reasons. Some of the reason why I say selective few, because here we go. For one, never would they leave Jamaica with the intention from day one say we are coming so just for work and go back our yard. Never would they reach out and say we will never become a citizen, right? And some of us still haven't. Then just have the green card for all these years and renew it, and that's okay. People can't tell people exactly what to do with their life, even if yes, it's a privilege you're getting or whatever. And people do things every day. People born and do things every day. People grow up and change their mind. People start school and change their mind. People start do things and change their mind, right? It's just a process of life. People don't have the right to change and do what they want to do or go where they want to go because you get a piece of paper. You're supposed to be pretty much just a standstill or stay in one place because you're a resident here, so you can't go nowhere. But mind you, people take vacation and go place every day. People take them vacation and go somewhere. Even the same American them where give the paper where in authority want to take a vacation and go somewhere different, don't it? So that don't make no sense to me where some people are said to me on the internet say, people just go back and forth. So listen, life was made to be lived. If you personally have a way of living your life where you know I'm going away and do nothing, that's your business. But what about the other rest who want to go somewhere or do something or live them life the way they want to live? You think say them not have the right to, because true you decide to live yourself in a quiet space and don't go nowhere, don't do nothing they're not supposed to? That's not fair and that's not right. So get this straight. And like me say, there's a selective few of Jamaicans will get up and also forget say where they come from, and that's okay. That had nothing to do with me, because me not forget it, and me know there's a lot more people would rather go home at Jamaica and be there right now, but situation and things for them is a little bit slippery, and that's okay. Who am I to judge? I am not. But here we go. Out of the selective few now, you have these people who get up and save all them life. For them come in, them save a Jamaica. For them to go returning. Of course, because them not silly. Them know exactly that things can happen. Just like what happened right now. So those people actually in a better position than a lot of people because all their life they've been looking forward to this. So for them can get up and leave right now, of course it's easy for them because guess what? They was preparing all that time. They got here, they had a goal and a dream from the moment they stepped down this land. That was their goal. Them have them family, wife, husband, or something back a yard. Something back a yard for them. Maybe them never sell them house, maybe them never sell them cars. Whatever the case might be, they had all these things still sitting there. And guess what? Them coming here and work, nobody can blame them because people live at the US, like me say, go other country, go live and work just the same. So there's nothing that's happening. It's just it's a one-way street. This is an all over kind of thing. Put that to the side. Then you have the other kind of people now. Is when them go to Jamaica and see the people live good now, them start to say, yeah, they see the value back in them country and them will want to go back at them yard. And there's nothing wrong with that because sometimes we all lose the way. You understand me? We all lose the way. Then go back and them sister people down there live great. Nice car, nice house, just the same way. And the truth about it, you can't take the same old stupid bank loan for a car just the same way and pay the payment if you have the money like that and not for the house just the same. You can. If you're making money like that, it's nothing different. Because everything Jamaica so coming like America right now, to be honest, in the finance department, in the financial department right now, a lot of things you could still do down Jamaica. You understand? It's a little bit more difficult. Yes, it is, but it still can work. No, like me say, some of them, when them go down the Augustus people them live good, them start put themselves in a predicament. Okay, maybe this can work if me come back home or whatever, and them find themselves with a 2 shilling with them probably never that send it come to Jamaica, but them having at the bank and them can pull it. Or them can go to the bank and get a nice like a loan because them do have good credit. You never know. So some of them take them chances. Now you have the other one now, we get up and we definitely go on because them a die at Jamaica no matter what. Them it come here and know say, yo, yes enough for me know this enough minds, I mean not stay here so. You understand me? So you have those now so know say no matter what. Yes, some of them get the citizenship and them do what them do, but they know say, yo, this is not me. And there's no way me gonna sit down in a this until me get old to me now one nursing like me say I count raindrops off at the windows. You understand? And a lot of people get mad when they say stuff like that. But listen, even the people that were born here and right now one day and now one day or sometime. And that's the truth. You understand me? So we have a few people who run to for defend things where not even concern them. It not even make no sense to me because until you're in a certain predicament, to be honest, you will never feel. And if you're not a born Jamaican sometime and a real diehard Jamaican, you won't understand certain things. Nobody not tell you say you can't go back or you will never go back, you know. Me just saying, some are we and some are uno. Yes, me say uno when know on yourself. Cause my sister not beat me in the comment section about how me know this or how me don't know nothing. Me just a chat because guess what? Me see it with my own eye. I don't know you personally, but what you do is what you do. I know what I'm gonna do. I've seen what other people have done. Me know what the pressure come up and enough I will make some real random crazy decisions and sometimes it's not the best one either. The said, yes, if me no me in a certain predicament, me rather leave. But the reason why me say that is because me already have certain situations set up for me in my yard. Me have a house to go back to. Some people don't. You understand me? So me wouldn't tell somebody when I have nowhere to go back to just get up and pack up and go. No, I wouldn't dare. You understand me? Me just I say. Sometimes when things start getting shaky and crazy, and me gonna be honest, it's just like this. Do you rather be a prison or you down in Jamaica and sell water up on the roadside? I rather sell water up on the roadside. I wouldn't want that for myself. But I rather do that because me knows the behind bars there's nothing, no possibilities once you're there behind that closed door or you're there under the dirt. There's two things, you understand me? And if me have the option of being home and free and figure out even for a plant 2 banana and 2 pieces of cabbage or something, I rather do that than for the up here struggle in our system where them out give me waiting time to sit down and wait. You understand me? That's all me that try to say, you know. People take it to the context and put it where they want, and that's okay. I can't tell you how to think, I can't tell you what to do. So when I'm saying the selective few, we all know the selective few of people we may talk about. Some would have come here, so they come here so we just get the few almighty man in our hand, and that's about it. I don't know that. It's always about the dollar, no matter what. It's all about the dollar here, and it's all about the dollar in Jamaica. No could have go on it 100 times. Even when they go to church, them still put out them little donation pan. It's all about the mighty dollar. So guess what? They're gonna have another set of people that's gonna leave because of fear. Is gonna leave because of laziness or return home, or just got the money, decide they're tired and leave. Now, with that said, why I said some people, when we leave Jamaica, most of us, not all of us, some of us that leaves and come to America, Canada, Europe, or wherever, some of us came here with the intention just to work, save our money, go home. Some of us left her loved ones back there, husband, children, wives, whatever, right? And you come to earn and go back. Now, this is where everything start getting crazy. You come here to work, you left your wife, you left your husband back there, but you get lonely, right? After you get lonely, it's either you're going to do one or two things. You're going to try to hold on the fort. If you can't travel, you might just go back to your spouse every now and then, but you might try to hold on the fort, work as hard as you can, and say, you know what, this is not for me. Me, I go pack up my things and go back on my yard to my wife or my husband, because me now go take the chances of me feeling like this and having someone here, or my loved one might have somebody down there, which is natural and is human being nature. I now say and up. Sometimes people say, oh, you know, for cheat, whatever, but remember, distance make the heart fonder. Not only that, distance also, when you're bored or you're tired, you get stressed out, people try to find different ways of relieving stress. They find companionship in different things and different ways, or different people. We all know that, and that's just a fact. So some of those people will be the sort of people will say them go back to their companion because them believe in their marriage and want to stay with them partner, they want to be with them partner. So them kind of people, as some of the sort of people me I talk about, say, well, we reach back to Jamaica no matter what circumstances, because of their loyalty to their spouse and their children, their family, their ground foundation that they made for themselves in Jamaica. Remember, I know everybody that left Jamaica never have a house or don't have things. Some people did have their house, they have their car, they have their spouse, they have their family, and them still left them there, and them probably just come here stuff for work, because some people come on work visa, and you know that already, right? Some people run off and said them are gonna try it, but when they come here, it's so hard too that they gonna leave and go back because it's not worth it, right? Now, somehow we will come here now, we pan the green card and have the green card, sit down and say, okay, we're gonna get up and work as long as we can, try to make ends meet and turn citizen and try to get a place at Jamaica, because most people who get the green card will come here, so most of the time them sell what them have back at them yard are things never so great to begin with, where they might come from, so they never really have no full structure for themselves. They might have a granny house or a father house or a mother house, but they never really have nothing for themselves. So in reality, they might just come here so now and say, all right, opportunity, me can get my own things. But I always want to house on the hillside of Jamaica, up at Stony Hill, up at Beverly Hills, wherever hills you want. You just want one of them, you understand? And you say, okay, I come here so I get opportunity, I go work. And then people, and most of the time, when they have them kind of dream and goal, them have it, you know, but sometimes they get distracted. Yes, but there is a few out of that lot that will return home and do exactly what they wanted, right? You always have a few people that are stickler to them thing, you know, they will not change, you know, them not change them more, them goals, them dreams for nobody, they must stick to it. Let me say, them must stick like creature of habits, and them stickler to them thing, them are gonna stay to it, right? So now you have those people that will look on it like, okay, me come as up on the green card, yes, extra as I make a citizenship, I'm gonna take advantage of it. That are enough people we're gonna say them are gonna take advantage of it, because why not? It's given to you, right? No, you come and you have your family, you come and you did come with your family, then they want to leave, but you want to go about your business. Some people get up and left them backside right up your son gone just to see them. Some will stay because guess what? Like I said, it becomes your foundation, your family, you will stick into it. That don't mean say the person where they're happy. So there goes the scenario of waiting for people to grow up enough for you can get up and bounce left the wife if she don't want to come, or the husband, you understand? People prepare themselves for days like these with the hardship that we're facing right now in America. People might not want to call it hardship. Right now, America going through a recession, and things are happening behind, and they're not talking little by little. There's no one exempt from going through that airport and coming in and don't have a problem, including naturalized citizen, regular citizen. It doesn't matter. Illegal people, regular people, people with green card. It no matter who you are, you're at risk right now just traveling with anything. But should you be scared? No, I think nobody should be scared for traveling and going anywhere and living them life or doing what they want to do. Some people say, oh, be careful what you do. Yes, of course, you always have to be mindful of it. But should you be afraid? No. Why should you be afraid? If you're afraid to live, no matter as well curl up and go down a box. You can't be afraid to live. No. If you get up and you believe in your heart, say, you can go around this thing. Let me tell you something. Good luck. Because at the end of the day, we all fall to our knees and beg God to save us from something that we're running from every day. And the truth about life is this. Sometimes you pick till you pick. And we know it already. You understand me? I don't choose to. I rather choose once. So anyway, if you come this far in the video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. Thank you for watching.